Located along one offshore road at Breakwater Village, a gated beachside community in Narragansett, this charming cottage is set on a lovely lot abutted by state-owned land that cannot be developed. The unit's floor plan boasts vaulted ceilings, exposed beams, and features a wealth of storage space. Gather inside with friends in the living room that opens directly into the bright eat-in kitchen with a quaint eating area and custom cabinetry. The full tiled bath leads directly into the two generous bedrooms, which abut each other. The master bedroom provides walkout access to the stone patio. Sit outside on the large private patio and enjoy alfresco dining in the incredible weather that comes with living in this beach town. Narragansett was recently voted the #1 beach town in New England by Boston Globe readers, and this property provides convenient deeded beach access. Walk to the private association beach and visit the Point Judith Lighthouse, a renowned local landmark. The Block Island Ferry is 5 minutes away, affording you quick access to the popular island destination. Nearby highway access allows you to travel to both historic Newport and Point South. For more information, please visit the property website or call Tyler Doran at area code 617-216-0839.